Hi. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to restore a corrupted Windows registry even when no registry backup exists. So let's get started. As you know, for years, Windows automatically created periodic registry backups. That made registry corruption easy to fix. But Microsoft disabled that automatic backup system. Don't worry, the good thing is that System Restore still creates volume shadow copies. And those copies include the system registry hives. That means you can reconstruct the registry from a restore point even when the traditional registry backup is missing. Note, before we begin, system restore must be enabled. This method works only if your PC had system restore turned on. Many people assume Microsoft disables it by default, but that's not usually the case. Here's a few situations to disable it automatically, such as when system drive smaller than 128 GB, when you attempted in place Windows upgrades. In such cases, the restore points are cleared automatically. However, enabling system restore is the first step if Windows still boots. So first, open the Start menu and search System Restore. Now select Create a Restore Point. Now choose your system drive and click Configure. Select Turn on System Protection. As you can see, it is by default enabled in my case. However, to manually enable, allocate 3 to 5% of disk space or according to your system drive size. And click OK. If Windows doesn't boot, we will check restore status later through the recovery environment. To show the process, I am using my experimental machine. If Windows don't boot due to system reg file corruption, here I will demonstrate what to do. Don't worry, if Windows fails to boot after multiple attempts, then it will trigger the automatic repair and it will take you to the recovery environment. This is where the recovery method begins. When you reach the recovery screen, select Advanced Options. Then select Troubleshoot. After that, go to Advanced Options. Now go to Command Prompt. Here, first you will need to identify the correct system drive. So type disk path and press Enter. Next type list volume and then hit Enter. Now locate the drive that contains Windows users and program files. Once identified, type exit and then press Enter. Now switch to the drive that contains your Windows folder. It's usually C. But in the recovery environment, the drive letters can change, especially if you have multiple drives. Type dir to confirm. As you can see, my drive letter is F. Once you confirm, check for available restore points. Type your system drive letter Windows /system32 /vssadmin.exe space list space shadows and then hit enter. If no shadows appear, system restore was not enabled and this method cannot be used. If you do see shadow copies, look for the newest one. Its timestamp will help identify it. Now copy the shadow copy volume path. Now use your copied shadow path like this. Now type copy and paste here the path that you have copied. /Windows /system32 /config /**. Your system drive letter /Windows /system32 /config /regback and then press enter. Now you should see a message indicating that 14 files were successfully copied. Now verify by typing cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and press enter. After that, type dir and press enter to confirm. You should now see a complete set of registry hives, including a valid system hive several megabytes in size. Copy the working hive to the main config folder. Type copy space system space dot dot space backslash and press enter. Now type Y and press enter to confirm the overwrite. Note, you can restore other registry hives, software, SAM, security, default the same way. This is helpful when you are not sure which hive was corrupted. Now close the command prompt and restart the computer. If the shadow copy contained a healthy version of the registry, Windows should now boot normally. Note, if the corruption affects a user profile rather than the system registry, a different repair method is needed. Using a shadow copies from system restore, it's possible to rebuild a corrupted registry even when traditional backups don't exist. As long as system restore was enabled, you have a reliable recovery option. So I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.